Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but not here. Not yet. Tacos are coming, I think, later this week. I think. Yes, maybe. I don't remember. All right. Last night, I'll just say this. I started the day by making French potato salad. I've never had a quote-unquote French potato salad. I put it together, tarragon and a bunch of other goodies. It had 3 different herbs in it. Yada yada yada. I took one bite, went, wow. It's done. Cover it up. Get it in the fridge. Yeah. Oh. The recipe actually says you can serve it warm, and the reason is there's no mayo in it. It's mustard and oil. So I actually pulled it out of the fridge about an hour before we were going to eat. And then later on in the afternoon, in the evening time, I prepared my sloppy joes. Excellent. Fun meal. God, the potato salad is so good. There's very little left. Robin actually left me the leftovers, which I'll probably have for breakfast. Tonight, this is simple. Salmon with Lemon-Tarragon Broccolini. Let's get to it. This is a sheet pan dish. So I've got salmon, which I bought Sunday. This is from the full fillet that Robin and I bought. Broccolini. There's leek. I will only use one of these. There's olive oil, lemon, fresh tarragon, garlic, kosher salt, and black pepper. That's it. Roast it off in a hot oven, obviously hot, for about 15 minutes. Done. Robin and I kind of debated whether or not if I should do a starch with this or not. I'm still debating. Robin said no. But hey, I might. I don't know. Depends on how bored I get. Yeah. So tonight's dinner should be fun. It's gonna be super simple. If you don't get a prep photo, you might not get one. There's not much to prep. So I posed a question yesterday. I'm going to pose it again. How many spiced herb jars are above my prep area? Tick, tock, tick, tock. Yes. How many herb and spice jars are above my prep area? That is the question for the week. Because I know, I did the inventory. So, it looks, I don't know about you, the rest of you folks who live here in Sutter County, California. Is it muggy today? It feels like I'm in Michigan. That's saying a lot. We're overcast today. I know I do the weather. I'm sorry. It's just what I do. We're overcast today for right now. It's about 7:30 this morning-ish. And then it's still going to be about 100, around 100. According to Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, it's supposed to be 97. We'll see. All right. On this Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, get your tacos from a good taqueria. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.